Yo, I want to Spice. She go next, she a Christ. I want to Blacks. You write up my name on Facebook and I tell people I start a shit. You see me I say, but watch you know, you have to tell people the thing the real way. Because when you tell them the story, I tell them it your way. You see me I say, because you vex with people for nothing at all. And make me tell them what I go on. You think I type me a type and no girl war. She cross the line. You see me I say, because I see people are text me, people are message me. I say, boy, how you and Blacks have? She write up on our Facebook boy and them thing there. Me see it all on our sort of site, matey and groupie site and them thing they say, oh the cat here angry or something. I say, nah man, me have to come on and make the people them real know what go on. You see me I say, can't this the Tanbad? Mad? Yo, big man thing, one leader, one follower. Saying, if a friend come to you and tell you say, a man this and a man that you want to find out the real truth, ask him, what the friend do? What psycho do to you? Don't tell me say, them a pussy hole. Yo, them for fuck off. No, based upon what? When do? Be specific. When do we indicate to you say him a hypocrite and at what given time? Before the fuckery or after the fuckery? Be specific. When do? If you can't tell me when do, me I go feel like I hear the pussy hole behind everything. Yeah, enough people say psycho, Tanbad and just say, yo, I want artists. You see me I say? And them things are there so alone it there. Yo, behind the artist thing there, me have a whole heap of skills, you understand? One day, Blacks there, seeing, after she opened her salon, seeing. So, she said, she have a next worker for coming tomorrow and she need another station for the fingernail up and she don't tell him say she have the station already and she said, when me I go get one more? When me I go find somebody who can make that in another short space of time and me go, alright, me bill it for you. And then she said, how much you charge? I said, charge, not do me that little thing, that kind of charge thing. Then tell me just a bill of studio. I say, yo, just bring a little thing of paint. And she said, fine. I'm going to go sub home and build a station and then everything good. Farm mic up and everything clean. See, I just that. I'm never charge $1. So one day she go sub home and come link me and my wife and like, she said, boy, me I work one bar, you know, and your man it look good and thing, and one day she beg her for come and we never go. But she keep asking if we can come over there, come look, you know, see how the bar come on and everything. So we say, fine, we'll come over there one day. So we go sub and go over there with her the day. Then our man I said, but I know start the day, help me out do something now, so me and JJ grab paintbrush, and we start paint, me start hammer, me start drill, me I cut tile, and then the work never did done, night come down, and then we say, alright, me with my full self, go say, yo, tomorrow again, I come over, come finish help, and tomorrow turning on, next day, and turning on, next day, and turning on. But 1 week and a couple of days, we're over there. I do some work for her over Portmore. You understand? I drive from Kingston to Portmore every day, like it's a 9-to-5 job me have, and still not get no respect for it. Seeing? So, me over there hammer, me a drill, me a cut tile, and me run all of the car them for the speaker box from the TV and them thing there. You see me I say, me set up the little, me set up the bracket where all on the speaker them on the wall and all of them thing there. Why do them thing out of the goodness of word? Because I say, yo, our friend and everything, and she beg her for come over there, come help, fine. One day she said, the first day we go over there, she said, yo, when if you eat something, you know, me I say, boy, I don't want to eat nothing, you know. Not thinking she would even want to take it tell the world, you know. Me just never did want nothing. She did complain and say, yo, she cuss and say, yo, me don't like how not go on there the whole day, you know, eat. And I say, alright then. Too much to go over juicy beef and buy two food. And I say, alright then, I know nothing. I understand over there I do some work and I know nothing. Because if me have some friends come over and do some work for me, I just run 2 guineas. She make it look like some man hungry and she buy some food. Me don't tell her already, say me a graphic designer. So the outside sign, I build the one that say 8-bar lounge for her. The 2 big window them. You understand? I could have charged at least 8 or 12 grand for one of them, you know. And I say a friend thing, so I just design them for her free. You understand? Carry go get them print up and bring back and stick them up on the store glass. Me and JJ do all of them thing there. You understand? I never charge her $1 for none of them because I say a friend thing. Seeing, you want to see me and JJ in a place a sweep out, I climb up on window and I wipe down window. When it come down to the day when the bar opening now, the sign are gone up yet, and I go out after the press. I left my yard, go pick up the sign for go put up. So, I say, shit. I call Spice and make sure you know, say, yo, I don't carry no money for me, and I could have come over Portmore and come put it up. Because you don't know me build the thing, I'm going to put it up myself. You see me, I say, yo, I da come over, you know, but January star, I left money in my yard. So, if I do drive come over, I not have gas to come back home. A big man thing. I make nobody frightened about entertainer, rich entertainer, this entertainer. Yeah, we might have money, yes, but me did not no gas in my car that day. And me I say she could have run a 5 bill, so I come back over. The cat say, yo, my broke me now no money. Me I come over so me collect it, so I meet her and give her it. You understand? And she make her friend over there put it up for her. Fine. Same evening, I go to woman I drive, go over there to go support her team. Dropping at the world biggest pothole. Seeing? Mash up my rim chop and split. You understand? And the tire chop. In the name I go support her. And the next day after the bar opening now, she goes to woman send out a broadcasting message for her BlackBerry. I thank everybody who come there. Bounty Killer and everybody else, and never even mention say boy Psycho and JJ when it come they come make it possible. And she get a good in so me feel a way about it, and she tell me say John no star me forget you, me forget say the daddy and I help, and then she send out another broadcasting message for polish it off with the name night this time. And then the next day I find say she managed to see him way. It's like every time I do something for her, it's like the worst thing I can do is try to help her, because tomorrow she go fuck you up and be ungrateful. After the whole bar opening thing, she malice me. See? Good malice. I'm going to find a way to build it back. You know, sometimes I just send some little message to her phone and try to get her for LOL. You understand what I say? And then everything working. So we come friends just in time when she going to do some fest now. And then she say, yo, she want to do an intro, some riot thing, some protest thing. And we say, alright then, we iron it out. And I say, alright then. Me do it here because I have the studio. It not go take me nothing for do. So I come in the studio, pull out the mic and the whole of we chant and I say, who want justice? We want justice. I kill off all of the ghetto youth them.
We kill we up. Mama chop and Timothy murder. A murder them a murder we.
Mama couldn't charge her for the nothing at all. But I just try to list out some things since she want to about she buy juicy beef for pay me. You want me some more juicy beef then, as me I say, want some more food because you owe it. Me I tell people about you lend me money for buy board for build bed, like something go so. You hear me I walk and I tell people say the time when I go up on some fest I never have a shoes ready. And you beg me say, Psycho, spray the gold shoes are black for me. I'm going to go to boom and take the tin spray and spray the gold shoes black. You know hear me I go tell nobody say yo, and me spray spice shoes I should wear upon some fest. The shoes did gold and me spray it black. Yet still you go tell people about you buy a little food for me. Hello. You have another time when they come to me again say they want to design something on chart. One weekly activity for the bar. Say Monday a pool day, Tuesday a rain, and Wednesday and Saturday a rain. I just design that free. I could have charge again and I never do it because I say we're a friend. Another time she say, birthday I come up, I go keep a fish fry. What you think? And I say, Ray, yeah man, you know. And I say, alright then. She say, boy, if I can make the poster for you, I go say boom. And design up the poster and say, yeah, eat that. And then another time now, she said she want the ticket them. So I go say boom and design the ticket. You see me I say? And then everything did good, you know. It's like 2 days before the birthday fish fry, she look at me and say to me, say, yo, I don't really know come on my thing, I'm going to go up to her and say to her, I say, yo, I love when people close to me know you know. Me and JJ we in a party, nobody can say them say we in a party. We not going to go dance if me have a new tune I promote and go out and try get it play and them thing there. If I know that me not go a road, you understand? And then she did okay, we still laugh the same night. The next day you know she said to me, say, yo, tomorrow the thing, I'm one time I try to find a picture for put on my cake. Right? And I say, alright then. Me design up something for you for go up on your cake. You understand the picture where she did in the tune? Her birthday cake picture. She sit down in the tune. Me design that again. I could have charged again and I never do it. You understand me? I say what I love her birthday and nothing. This is just probably just my gift to her as a birthday thing then. The flyer, the ticket and the cake picture. Seeing? The morning, the next day, the morning now, I go to BlackBerry. Happy birthday to her. She read it, she no respond. JJ goes to boom, happy birthday, she read it, she no respond. Spice dry up with it, vex with it. It's like I can't do nothing for please her. Good malice, 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, she not talk to it. Me, she and Kiva catch up and she tell Kiva about how the whole our plan up for not come her thing. But me I say, even if she want to vex with people for not come her thing, she should have spare me and JJ because we are the one to make certain things possible for that birthday Fish Friday, and we design up all of the thing them feet. You understand me? I say she should have spare we. It's too wicked, man. Oh God, man. You see me? I say, we shouldn't even involve in them vex thing there. But she vex, you can't do nothing for please her. Me I say, if judgment day come, and God goes and look on her, and God goes to come and him a separate who for go to hell from who for go to heaven, and him say she for join the hell line, and look on God and say, yo, big man. But I see, blacks are our little friend and we love her, you know, give her a blind, you know, and God would say, alright, tell her to come to heaven. After that, you still not going to get no respect. If judgment day come, and God goes and look on her, and God goes to come and him a separate who for go to hell from who for go to heaven, and him say she for join the hell line, and look on God and say, yo, big man. But I see, blacks are our little friend and we love her, you know, give her a blind, you know, and God would say, alright, tell her to come to heaven. After that, you still not going to get no respect. That is she. Who know her personally can know say as such stay for real. The outside world may not know. Be specific. What them do to you? What them do? What you hate them for? You can't talk it. Because if you even talk it, you go trim around it. Now, if you cut long story short, one day we out a gate, some little argument build up. I say, suck your mother, she say, suck back your mother. I say, pussy, she say, pussy. It's like, you know, big low thing out a gate. I can't even bother demonstrate gangster versus market woman. I'm police brother, I'm a producer, Belgian jump down and hold and for me, I'll JJ, the whole of them pin me down and say, yo, you know, worth it, you can get yourself in a trouble. When the police brother say, yo, if I make nothing at me, I go tell the police them say, lock you up, because me there and see and I tell you, say, bill and you know, bill, so I go say, and bill, and you understand, so I go say, boom, grab my phone and delete her pin out of my BlackBerry and grab JJ phone and delete out her BlackBerry. But she should depend it now so she can broadcast some spiteful feisty thing on it to see. She take it to Facebook. Well, me did write something first on Facebook, but to me a line still draw. I never did a cross, meaning say me write something but me not call a name. Me write on it say they can easily ID ungrateful people because every time them talk you hear them say everybody bad mind, everybody grudgeful, everybody bed catch pan black, everybody hungry, everybody broke. Everybody suck pussy, everybody suck good, etc. You see me I say, I just that me I say night. She go on Facebook now go write upset. I say, Psycho, you and your girl need to know to differentiate ungrateful people from people who don't want to play a hypocrite with you. Every woodwork where you do for me pay you with juicy beef food because I find out say your belly long. So me I say, alright then, it's how life go. We grew up on an era saying we say, while man a plan, God a wipe. Meaning say, you may a pray for come with a cup of water and somebody a pray for come with a jug of water. So if a bill, you know when a people head. Me can never be ungrateful in a life. Because I'm show you a thing, see, I'm show you my business. I remember producer, Shams, Richard Brownie, seeing, remember in time I dip on my face and $1, them man them see. Every time I check them man there, I get some little grand and some 5 bills and all of them things they count. But I never turn my back on a brother then, never in a life, never. All a man like Red Rat the Entertainer, them man there are the main backbone of my career for me get a break in the music business. Therefore, I can't turn my back on them man there. We have differences still, and more time that they want away and say, more time Rat for bill, I don't even like how Rat a go on, but at them man them I get visa and tour the world first. Them man them I can't turn my back on them man there. Nah, forget them and me tell the world what them man they do for me because them man they deserve respect. Enough people me see left comment and say, boy, I see him so she do me. I see one of them I talk about say, yo, I build reading for her and I saw she do me. I build song for her and I saw she do me. I just see that. Everybody who know her personally can testify say true as such she stay. And I like one day I go come and she go stop and say, regardless of them being a hypocrite, so to speak, them never do me nothing. More time I wonder if our behavior not intentional, not purpose. You see, you know, like a deficiency. Like me I wonder, you see like how the handicap make for walk so and can't do nothing about it. Maybe she just born for just behave that way there and she can't do nothing about it. And you see all the outside world, enough I want to know. Enough people we are typing and I say ray. Them could not even know. I can't understand. She fortunate, you know. She's surrounded by people who do anything for her. She have a man who move Blue Mountain for her. She have a sister who swim across the ocean for her. You know. all our friends, them sure say them would do beer things for her too. Me and JJ, if we never kick off, a beer thing would have still there do for her, and nobody wouldn't feel no way, and nobody not vex with nobody. You understand? She's surrounded by everybody who would do things for her, and she still a spit on them. Me design the CD sticker for her, me design promotional picture for her, me just do it free out of the goodness of my heart and now collect $1, and she still a spit on people. With blacks, if it look like you can fend for yourself, it'll go be a problem. If you not allow her to do things for you, she'll go vex. She want mind you, so she have the upper hand. She for hold the angle and you for hold the blade. She hold on the one them who live with her. So she remain the breadwinner at all time. She don't encourage none of them say, boy, you can go out there, go do it, you know. She don't make none of them feel like them can go out, go take on the world. She cow them down so them grow timid and shy. You see me I say? She will always be the dan at all time. And so she stay. So she can cuss them and then tomorrow you hear say, boy, me do this for you. Yo, if one of them over that ever one day get lucky and rise above her, she that dead over there. She don't need that. She a hold down. You understand? She just discover fame. She just discover money and it feels sweet. She not no temper, you know. And money power she have. When I hear she bully people and them not retaliate at you, them not want to lose the little bread. When know the thing go. Them say a woman can do what a man do and still be a lady, you know. But it works in enough different way. Because if she out of the middle of half a cheese square look on her man and say, go suck your mother and go suck your mother and come suck me out, and him stand up there and can't answer, the crowd will go say, the man there one big bitch and she a one skittle. But if the other way around, when the man a shout off a she, them a go say, yo, the man there a man a yard, you know. And I must him woman that, regardless if she want shame. So you can stay there look for big man respect. You never get a woman, you never get a big man respect. So all stay there loud up more time and go on and put yourself on display. You're a woman, a king will always be a king and a queen will always be a queen. You can't be the big man. Never. So true you go so boom now and you're used to cow down everybody over there. You feel like you can go take it to the world. Notice everybody who you cow down are the one them who you support. Meaning say the one them who live with you. The one them who eat the food and them thing there. You see me I say? You get so used to that now you feel like say the whole world you have it under control. But you have to remember say the world big, Tanbad a Tanbad. See? And blacks are blacks. She got about iron balloon and man no bus. So hold on there. True me no bus that are the problem with you now. We fall out because me no bus. Make up your mind. A fox me there start talking. A young make up thing for be spiteful. Young bring out the market to man mentality. See, because all you need right now is just a ear and 2 big pocket on it and you're good and a scale. But when I try to show you, say, you know boss, you're known in a Jamaican community. You understand? You're not known in Europe. You know boss, there's different level of boss. Because guess what I go on? Spice, you're not big like Lady Sir, you're not big like Tana Stevens, you're not big like Cecile, you're not big like Miss Thing, we go up on Billboard, BET, MTV, you don't know what that feel like. You're not big like Tifa, you're not big like Tommy Chin, you know, big like Timberly. So nobody compare my boss in with the year one and nobody one. Psycho or psycho, Tanbad. You see me I say? I'm not big like Bounty Killer, Sean Paul, Shaggy, Cartel, Mavado, Psycho or psycho. And you don't know it can get bigger than that because remember I say Sean Paul did there sing about man no want no bed. Him did boss. And then guess what? Give me the light is a different thing. You see me I say? So guess what I go on? Nobody come talk about no bossing thing, my girl. Because you're not bum buckle at boss either. I boss before you. Because when in a 2000 I do my first tune and up on stage and the whole people are sing it. Line for line with me when I up on stage a DJ and fans are crowd me for autograph. What you did there? You see me I say? When me I tour down the whole place in a 2000. What you did there? You did still there put more a recycle people tune. God that's all you do. You can't write, you're not a lyricist. You talk it out of your own amount. You can't write. You can't find the idea but you can't put it on pen and paper. You can't write a cartel come out there and go something and drop you in a ramping shop and it do a good deal of work for you. It was excellent. Regardless of the fallout for a line should have draw. You shouldn't the one we are talk about them and a devil. I suppose you can't say you big up the teacher because everybody know you for recycle people tune. That's all you can do. All time people say, cuss where you go, no cuss where you come from. Meaning say, where you go might not work out and you have to go back where you come from.